Hello, MTVA. What I'd like to show you today is the Caola or the Genius dashboard. When you first log in to work on your MTVA coursework, this is the screen that most of you will see. So for the most part, the MTVA Genius dashboard has most of its important components right here where my mouse is swirling around. You can see here the actual academic snapshot. It shows your courses you're taking, the start date, and more importantly, the end date of those courses. Those would most likely be the end of the quarter for the most part. You see here your grades and how many assignments you have done, and if you're on pace or behind pace. There's an upcoming events tab here. Usually doesn't have much in it. An activity tab, which more or less shows you how many minutes you've put in that week. There is a messages tab here where if your teachers need to get a hold of you, they can do so. Course requests and admission status, you won't need those very often. So for the most part, this tab here, the academic snapshot, is the one you're going to be using. Beyond that, over here on the side, there's a few other tools that we could use throughout the year. The first one here is this academic snapshot. If you click on that, what you'll see here are all of your courses, the pacing, your grade, how many zeros you have, and your level activity, which can be really useful. There's a suggested pacing guide as well here. So if you see here, it tells you how many assignments you're going to want to try and finish each week in order to finish at the required time. And that can be useful. You can see here it's by course, so you can just click on different courses to see the pacing guides. There's a grade book here as well that shows you how you scored on your assignments. This student here has finished one assignment and has a 90 so far. Student activity is just simply another way to show you how many minutes you've put in each of your courses that week. Up here in this bar, you can actually change how far back you want to look, 2 weeks, 1 week, or even months. So you can kind of see your progress over time in each quarter. The rest of the things here, the transcript, etc., you won't need. At the top here, this messages tab, should a teacher need to contact you, it'll show up here. And then that message will actually show up here too on your dashboard. That's not used very often. So for the most part, that's it for the Caola Genius dashboard. Remember, most of the things you're going to need are going to be here in your academic snapshot or maybe over here in your activity bar. Thanks.